Okay, here's your problem. So your pond is dirty. So I have a pond for my koi, and then you want to clean those. It is a bit difficult to clean it by hand because it's under the water. You cannot just wipe it. It's very difficult. So you need an underwater vacuum cleaner. And you Google underwater vacuum cleaner can cost you a lot. So I decided is I made my own. So here's my underwater vacuum cleaner. I made it from a 34-watt air pump here. Okay, and then here's where the water get in. So you put a long pipe here for water to get in. So you should make it an angle like that. So you increase the space, maximum space of the area that you can clean. Then water get in from here, and it will suck in and get out of here. So, but you need some kind of filter to filter the dirt. So you can use anything you can put clothes or something like that there and then tie it. But I have a better one, so I use this filter. This filter is for my drip irrigation system. So you just, because yeah, my lovely wife has garden like this, so I did irrigation for her. So and this is the pipe, so you put it in here. So this is you can clean this later when it's dirty. Put here, plug this in. All right. Okay. And then you add some kind of handle, so it's easy to handle. So I did this using pipes that I normally use also for my drip irrigation at home. Okay, and here you go. You have an underwater vacuum cleaner. So let's try it. Okay, it's on. Let me put it under water. Okay, and let's see. And it will suck. Okay, it works well. So here you go, underwater vacuum cleaner. Thank you for watching.